Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your home equity line with Quicken Loans, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your home equity line of credit with Quicken Loans, begin by visiting their official website. Log in to your existing Quicken Loans account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Home Equities section of the website. Click on the option that says Activate your line of credit. You will have to provide some personal information to verify your identity. This may include your social security number, address, and loan number. After confirming your identity, you will be asked to review the terms and conditions of your home equity line of credit. Read through the information carefully, ensuring you understand all fees and interest rates. Once you agree to the terms, click on the Continue button. Next, you will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving funds. You can usually choose between a direct deposit to your bank account or receiving checks. Select your option and provide any necessary banking information. After this step, review all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. When satisfied, submit your application for activation. You will receive a confirmation message once your request has been processed. Check your email for any additional instructions or important updates. If you encounter any issues during this process, reach out to Quicken Loans customer service for assistance. They will guide you through any troubleshooting or required steps. Once your home equity line of credit is successfully activated, you can start managing it through your online account. To access your funds, simply follow the withdrawal process outlined in your dashboard. Always keep track of your usage and payments to maintain your credit health. Continue to monitor your account for any changes to terms or rates. This will ensure you remain informed about your home equity line of credit always. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.